What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best cordless drills on the market for this year. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill / Driver Kit. The Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill is a versatile and compact tool that's suitable for a wide range of projects. Its compact design, measuring just 6.3 inches from front to back, allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. The built-in LED light enhances visibility while working. Weighing only 2.4 pounds, it's comfortable for overhead tasks. Equipped with a brushless motor, this drill offers efficient performance. The package includes 2 2-hour batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag. It boasts a maximum RPM of 1,650, making it powerful enough for various drilling and driving tasks. Furthermore, it's compatible with any 20V max batteries from Dewalt, allowing you to upgrade to higher amp hours for extended runtime. Number 2. Black+Decker 4V Max. The Black+Decker cordless screwdriver is a versatile and budget-friendly tool that can make your DIY projects and home improvements much more efficient. Weighing only 1 pound, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The hinged handle provides flexibility, allowing you to adjust it to 3 different positions, which is particularly helpful when working in tight spaces or at odd angles. Powered by a 4-volt rechargeable battery, this screwdriver offers a reliable and consistent source of power. It's perfect for assembling furniture, hanging decorations, and handling various tasks that involve screwing or unscrewing fasteners. Additionally, the built-in flashlight is a convenient feature, providing illumination in dimly lit areas. Number 3. Rigid 18V Subcompact Brushless Cordless Drill. The Rigid Subcompact Drill is a versatile and lightweight power tool ideal for various applications. Despite its 2-pound weight, it offers impressive power, boasting a maximum speed of 17 to 50 RPM and substantial torque. The drill comes as a comprehensive kit, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced DIY enthusiasts. Included in the package are 2 2-hour batteries, a charger, a belt hook, a driving bit, and a handy tool bag for convenient storage and transport. This drill features a 2-speed gearbox for adapting power and speed to specific tasks. It's also equipped with a built-in LED light, providing visibility in dimly lit or confined workspaces. The 24-position clutch and variable speed trigger offer precise control. Rigid stands by its product with free service and parts for the lifetime of the tool, ensuring long-lasting reliability and performance. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, the Rigid Subcompact Drill is a dependable choice for your projects. Number 4. Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18V Brushless Cordless Compact Drill. The Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18V Cordless Drill is a practical choice for homeowners seeking a versatile and compact tool. This kit includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a convenient storage bag, ensuring you have everything you need for your projects. The front power gauge on each battery allows you to monitor the remaining runtime accurately. This drill boasts a 24-position clutch and a 2-speed gearbox, granting you the flexibility to tailor its performance to various tasks. With a built-in LED light, you can work in dimly lit environments with ease. Furthermore, it's compatible with any 18V 1 Plus battery from the brand, making it a valuable addition to your tool collection. The only minor drawback is the absence of screwdriver bits in the package, which you may need to purchase separately. Number 5. Craftsman 20V Cordless Drill / Driver Kit. The Craftsman 20V Cordless Drill offers excellent value for your money with its impressive power and reasonable price point. It comes equipped with a 20V battery that delivers ample torque and high-speed drilling performance. Despite its affordability, it offers features similar to more expensive drills, including a 2-speed gearbox, 23 clutch settings, and a built-in LED light for improved visibility. The efficient charger can fully recharge the battery in 60 minutes or less, minimizing downtime and allowing you to quickly resume your work. However, it's essential to note that this drill is relatively heavy and larger than compact models, which may make it slightly cumbersome to use in specific situations. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.